So, I just had some service done on my Model 3 for this piece right here. So I took it off for the video I did with the straight pipes, and in doing so you're supposed to put some pressure right here on the top right corner. You push in, this thing pops out, and you have access to your tow hook. And so that's the idea behind it. Well, the thing breaks whenever you pop it out. And so I asked the Tesla service guy, hey, how many of these things do you break? And he said taking it off, even, doing that simple procedure that they tell you to do, pushing the top right, about 50-50 on whether or not he breaks it. And there's two little plastic tabs inside right here. And when you break those two plastic tabs, they fall inside the bumper. So you can't even take it out and fix it. The plastic tabs are stuck inside your bumper. If you want to take out the bumper, you could get them. But what a pain just for this piece. And replacing this, $60 if you're having warranty work done on the car, and $100 if no other work is going to be done.